Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy F22 and I'm gonna show you how to insert the SIM card and SD card into this device. First, we need to lock the screen on our phone by pressing the power button. Then we need to pick up our phone and find the SIM card and SD card tray. On this device, it's located right here on the left side. At the top, here we have the SIM card and SD card tray. And next to it, we have this small hole. We can use this hole to open the tray. We need some kind of pin. Usually you have a pin tool like this coming with your phone. Take it, use it. You could also use something like paperclip, but this is gonna be your safest bet, because if something is too big for this hole, you might break something. So insert this pin into the hole next to the tray, like this, and then we need to basically push it in like that. The tray will pop out, and now we can take out the pin and remove the tray from our phone like this. After we do that, here we have our tray. We have two SIM card slots and one SD card slot. To put the SIM card on it, simply take your nano size SIM card and place it on a tray. I believe like this. Yes, like this. It fits only one way, don't worry, you won't mistake it. And then if you want to put the SD card on, simply take your micro SD. Here we have it, and put it on a tray like this. When you're gonna be inserting the tray into your phone, be careful, because the cards tend to fall off from the tray. This one actually holds them, so there should be no problems with that. Now let's pick up our phone, insert the tray into the hole right here. The side with the text on the cards, you can see the text, should be facing the screen, basically the front of the phone. Then slide it slowly down till the end. Oh, we have a problem right here. Oh, now we can close it. Wake up our screen on our phone, and as you can see, the SIM card is working because we need to enter the pin. So let's do it. And SD card is working as well, because we have a notification about it right here. And that's how you insert the SIM card and SD card into this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.